Hi guys, this is Mom's Go-Tos again, and today we will be showing you another most loved delicacy, dumplings. Dumplings consist of pieces of dough filled with seasoned meat, fish, vegetables, cheese, and many more. And dumplings can be steamed or fried, and it can also be added in soup. For this recipe, we will need wrappers, garlic, onion, ginger, cabbage, green onion, sesame oil, olive oil, salt, pepper, sake, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. First thing we need to do is to mince all the vegetables except for the ginger. The ginger, we have to grate it to be more fine, or you can also use your food processor if you have one for all the vegetables. After we mince all the vegetables, we can now add pepper and salt and mix them all together. Next thing here is to add the meat in and then add the sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the sake. And by the way, for the sake, that is optional. After putting the ingredients all together, we can mix it by hand or you can mix it with a spatula. Next thing we need to do here is to wrap. So put a tablespoon of the mixture in the middle of the wrapper, then wet the sides of the wrapper with water. After you wet the edges, fold one side over the other side and pinch the sides and make some designs just like this. After you close it, line them up in a pan and make sure they're not too close so they won't stick together, and put them in the freezer for at least 2 hours before packing them. Here's the complete list of our ingredients. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be updated when we post new videos, and please give us a thumbs up.